Hi, this is Agam from Generation Connection, and today we'll be learning a little bit about how to start a Zoom meeting on your iOS or Android device. If you need help, email contact@genconnection.org or fill out the online form that's on the screen. We'll get back to you promptly either way. Before we begin, you'll need to have downloaded the Zoom app. If you don't already know how to download app from the Google Play Store on your Android device or from the App Store on your iPhone or iPad, then we have two videos that you can use to learn that skill. You can find those videos at our website, genconnection.org/learn. That's GENCONNECTION.org/LEARN. After you've downloaded the app and also opened the app, you'll be greeted with this screen. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up. Otherwise, you can skip this section and move on to signing in. Once you click the Sign Up button, you'll have to confirm your date of birth. Click on the month, day, year box. Then enter in your birth date. Click the plus and minus to add and subtract months, days, and years. After you're done, click Set. Next, you'll see a screen like this. Enter your email, first name, and last name to sign up. After you do that, click Sign Up. Next, you will receive an email confirmation to the email address that you entered in the previous step. Note that this email might take a few minutes to arrive in your inbox. If you do not get it, then click Resend in the Zoom app. Once you get that email, open it up. Click Activate Account. On the account activation webpage, you'll need to enter in a password and then confirm the password. After you do that, click Continue. Congratulations! You've just created a Zoom account. Now you'll need to return to the Zoom app and click Sign In. Enter in the email address you used when you signed up and the password that you just set. Then click Sign In. Note that if you forgot your password, then you'll need to click the Forgot Password ? Button below the Sign In button. After you've signed in, you'll see a screen that looks like this. You can think of this like the home screen of your Zoom app. Notice that you can see different things at the bottom of the screen. You're going to want to be on the Meet and Chat section of the Zoom app. Click New Meeting. Next, you'll see two options to configure the meeting. You can toggle the video on option if you want your video to be on when you join the meeting, or alternatively, you can toggle it off if you want your video to default to off when you join the meeting. You can toggle the Use Personal Meeting ID option. If this is on, then the meeting will use your PMI, your Personal Meeting ID, which is like a permanent meeting ID. If it's off, the meeting will use a randomly generated meeting ID. After you've selected the options that you want, click Start Meeting. Just like a normal Zoom meeting, you can mute and unmute yourself and also start and stop your video using the buttons at the bottom of the screen. Note that if you don't see all of the options to control the meeting, then try tapping the middle of your screen to bring up the on-screen controls. Let's try inviting people. Click Participants at the bottom of the screen. Again, you may need to click the middle of the screen to show the on-screen controls. After you click Participants, you should see a screen like this. Click Invite in the bottom left-hand corner. After you click that button, you should see a variety of different options that you can use to invite people to your Zoom meeting. For example, you can send an email through Gmail, through Outlook, you can send a text message, or you can simply copy the invite link so then you can paste it into whatever messaging service you want. Note that on iOS, it looks a little bit different. In iOS, the menu is at the bottom of the screen. Either way, pick what you want, and then if you want to exit the menu, then click anywhere except for the menu. So, if you wanted to exit the menu, then click it in the area surrounding the menu. Now that you're back at this main participant screen, you can try another option, which is muting all. In addition to invite, you should also see the option to mute all on the participant screen. This will turn off the microphone of everyone on the video call, except yourself. Note that you also have more options. You can access those additional options using the three dots in the bottom right corner. We may cover some of these additional options in a later video. These options are for more complicated use. Click Close on the participants list. You should be returned to the call. Then click End in the upper right-hand corner. Once again, if you do not see End, try tapping on the middle of the screen in order to show the on-screen controls. You have two options when ending the meeting. Either you can click End Meeting for All or Leave Meeting. If you click End Meeting for All, then the meeting will end as soon as you click that button. Whereas if you just click Leave Meeting, then the meeting will continue, but you will no longer be in the meeting room. Congratulations! You just learned how to start a Zoom meeting. Keep practicing to make sure that you remember and master this skill. Visit our website, genconnection.org/learn for more videos like this, and share this video so that we can continue to make more videos like it. Thank you so much.